Bryson Palmer here. We're up in far north Queensland. This afternoon we've been having a ball using this active target transducer. Oh, great fun. Right, just going to show you a bit of a look how I go about using my active target while I'm chasing saltwater barramundi. So I'll show you, look at the screen here. I've got it running a bit of a split screen. So on top I've got my side imaging so I can find exactly where they are while I'm scanning around with the electric motor. You can see a few fish starting to move through on the active target on the screen there. I'll record this. You can record your active target. You see one here popping through on the screen. A few little bait fish there. Heap of barramundi through here. They're out the side of the boat, so you can see the little arrow. So it's showing on your side scan here, and you can see the little arrow that comes out the front. So that's where my active target is pointing in forward mode. You see that lure jigging through there. All we're using today is a small little Molex shad swim bait, only 100 mil, so very small. You can still pick it up very well in the salt water. Two right there. Look at them right under the boat there. That's awesome. There you can see the lure dropping down. It's about 8 meters out. Scared one barramundi away, you see him swimming off. Rightio, we'll give this lucky craft a go and see if we can pick that one up on there. You see that one there swimming towards the boat, just gone under, right under the boat. Oh, missed him. See that one coming up? He went down. Come up for a look at it. Oh, there he is. Oh, what a fish. Unreal. The old quick release does it, but as you can see, the active target definitely pays off. Awesome fun while you're at it. Been having a ball this afternoon using this active target, and the barramundi have been on fire. But we're going to call it a day, head in, have a bit of a feed and get some shut eye and do it again tomorrow. Hopefully you got something out of that one.